everyone! Hope you're well. I recently attended an art retreat and shared my recent drawing along with some interesting stories. The Legend of Pip, the Frog Who Reached the Sky. Chapter 1. The Pond of Contentment. In Emerald Valley, there was a serene pond, and within it were frogs. They were relaxing, swimming, playing, and frolicking under the sun. One little frog named Pip had brilliant amber eyes, always gazing towards a distant mountain. Where the great blue mountain was, he frequently asked questions about it. The other frogs dismissed Pip's concerns, suggesting it's just a pond. Pip did not back down, despite the hesitant attitudes of his neighbors. As he stepped onto the other side of the pond, Pip ventured into the unknown world, scared but excited. Chapter 2. The First Leap. Pip hopped across the pond, reaching the great blue mountain boundary and swimming towards it. His excitement grew as he moved, but it was also scary to explore a completely new world. At last, Pip reached the top of the mountain, with fear in his heart. He was afraid he wouldn't make it back down. But then, a bright blue dragonfly appeared out of nowhere. Pip helped the dragonfly up by using the mist from the trees. The wind was strong, but Pip never complained. Chapter 3. The Dark Whispering Forest. Pip had made it to the top of the mountain, but he looked down and was struck by its vastness. He feared this unknown world, but curiosity led him forward. Just as the dragonfly emerged from the shadows, Pip sensed danger and helped it away. The experience was exhilarating as they left the mess behind. Pip's excitement only grew as the journey continued. Chapter 4. The Ascent of Echo Rock. The journey continued. Pip climbed Echo Rock, reaching the edge with difficulty. The wind was tough and the rocks were scary. He found he could not take another step. But then he spotted a tiny green spot near the riverbank. Pip had to reach that remarkable river. Pip climbed those rough hills and valleys, determined to reach the river. He made it to that awe-inspiring river and, with a smile, turned around, filled with wonder and amazement. Pip had to do it again. Conclusion. The legend of Pip is about learning and exploring the world beyond the pond. Pip's journey took him from curiosity to courage, and he never stopped looking for something new. His experiences show us that we never know what lies beyond the ordinary boundaries of our lives. The size of your origin does never dictate the height of your destination. Just like Pip, you might currently find yourself surrounded by the quiet comfort of a small pond, surrounded by voices that urge you to play it safe and stay where it is warm. But deep inside, you know that your potential was meant for far greater horizons. The rivers of uncertainty will roar. The paths ahead may grow dark, and the mountain slopes will surely test every ounce of your strength. Yet, courage is not the absence of fear, but the decision that your dreams matter more than your comfort. Do not let the boundaries of where you start define how far you can go. Take that first leap, trust your strength, and climb until the entire world opens up beneath you. hope you enjoyed this. Have a great day.